You can do hard things. Stop saying that you cannot do shit, because you can, and you deserve to give yourself a chance. I cannot believe how much has changed over the past 4 days. I am in awe of breathwork. I started this journey hating it, but I think I'm wrong. Hello, this is day 4. I just finished filming a holiday tapping. That's why I look like this and I'm in green and red. Okay, anyway, let's just get started with this.
Are you ready? Here we go. Round number 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 30 seconds. Breath hold from now on. Be in this moment. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Round number 2. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 1 minute. Breath hold from now on. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. Round number 3. Back into that rhythm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Become aware of the blood running through your veins, your heart beating. Feel.
That was, again, just like 55 seconds of breath hold between round 2 and 3. I need a moment. I need time to like ground back after breath work, because it really makes you feel so lightheaded. What I was thinking about as well, I watched Wicked yesterday, and it's just such an amazing movie. And one of the lyrics of the song was about feeling and being limitless. And it's so interesting that I'm doing this breathwork journey as well, because I feel like breathwork in a way does make you feel limitless. And I think Wim Hof even said it in his meditations, like tap into that feeling of being unlimited. Like, what does it feel like to break away from your limits? Like, I feel that resonates with me so much going into 2025. I am so done with letting fear and doubt run my life. This is part of the reason why I started this series as well, is I just want to do things that I hate and do things that I don't like and prove to myself that it's really not that bad. It's really not a big deal to step out of your comfort zone. And another thing that I think with the manifestation community is we're always being sold this dream, right? That it's easy, that it's supposed to be easy and it's supposed to be effortless. And I feel like down the line, of course, like it is meant to be effortless, and you want to create a life that is not full of suffering and challenge and difficulty for you. But starting out, it is going to be hard. It will be hard because you are changing. And just because it's hard doesn't mean that it's not possible. Just because it's hard doesn't mean that it's not for you. Doesn't mean that you have to give up. Like, if you're starting a new journey and you're exploring a new version of yourself, if you're wanting to become a new version of you, it is going to be hard, but that doesn't mean that it's bad. And I think for the longest time, I've been sort of avoiding hard, difficult things because I had this belief that manifesting is just supposed to be easy and effortless and la di da, and like everything is sunshine and rainbows. And it's really not like that, but it's also okay. Like, it's not bad. I think it's more about shifting your perspective over doing hard things because it doesn't matter which path you take in life. Every path has its own set of difficulties and challenges. So, the mindset that I believe I need to have, and maybe one that you can adopt as well, is you can do hard things. This is hard, but I can do hard things. This is hard, but I get to choose my hard. Because if I go to path A, it's going to be a different type of difficulty. And if I choose to be in path B, it's a different type of difficulty. So I get to choose my hard. But what I can say is stop avoiding discomfort and stop avoiding hardness. You know what I mean? It's like life can be hard, but that's not bad. It's just part of it. And you just have to learn to deal with that discomfort. And I think I really learned this with this breathwork journey, like holding my breath. I've always been told, like, don't hold your breath, like it's bad. And, of course, I'm not going to do that forever. But holding my breath in that moment, even though it's hard, even though it's uncomfortable, I can still do it. And it's not even a big deal, like now on the fourth day, I don't even think about it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold my breath, like, so what? But I feel like in day one, I still had those thoughts where I'm like, how can I do this? Like, what? This is horrible. Like, why would Wim Hof make me do this? Like, why would holding my breath be a part of breath work? But now I'm like, okay, so what? It's no big deal. It's just part of breath work. Um, yeah, I just feel like in connection with Wicked, and Defying Gravity, which I think is such a manifestation song, because really what she's saying is, I'm going to ignore the circumstances and my limitations, and I'm going to break out of it, and I'm going to break free. I think there is that line in the movie where she's like, I don't care. What did she say? She's like, I don't care what's going to happen as long as I'm free, or something like that. I resonate with that so hard. I was sobbing, you guys, at Defying Gravity. I was sobbing. I would, like, even thinking about it makes me want to cry because it's such a good movie. And I started crying at the opening scene. Like, when she was reminiscing and one of the munchkins were like, were you her friend? And she was like, our paths did cross. Oh my God, even thinking about it makes me want to cry. But it's such a good movie. I want to watch it again. I want to watch it again. And the dance scene, don't even get me started on the dance scene. Like, I think both Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande like did an amazing job at portraying the love that they have for each other as Glinda and Alphaba. Like, I think it was just, yeah, it was so good. Anyway, enough Wicked talk because I'm gonna cry. I'm a crier, you guys, and I'm not afraid to admit that. I love crying. I literally cry for everything. But anyway, enough for this video. It's so long, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following me on this journey. I'm just so proud of myself. I really am defying gravity within myself and breaking my own limits. And you just never know what you could accomplish until you try. So, this is my reminder to you that you can do hard things. Stop saying that you cannot do shit, because you can, and you deserve to give yourself a chance. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you resonate with this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.